Seriously.
Okay.
Can we start that and move it to make it easy to move this?
Oh. I gotta find the keys.
Okay, that's what I thought. And then we could put it in the line. It's neat.
Well, if we
it's just out in the...
if we start that, we have to ride it around. Are you willing to go for a ride with me in it?
No, I'll video you riding around.
No, that's not what I said. I said if we start that, you have to go for a ride in it. You've never been for a ride in it.
I don't want to ride in it.
Hi, I'm Kim of Kim Fixes Things. It's rainy today at the shop, but we have things to do. Winter is approaching. I don't think there's any way to escape it, but we need to have a plan to keep things moving, keep things rolling.
You're pointing at yourself, you know that? Start over.
I picked it up and that's how it was. Okay, so we're running.
All right, here. You're the talent anyways. Go ahead, stand beside the thing.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Go ahead.
Buff Del Campo here. I was told to stand here. I don't know what I'm doing. I think we're starting this old, I was going to say Dodge, Ram truck with a, is that a 360 or a 318?
This one's a 318.
It's a Magnum, and it needed bearings a while ago. Kim polished the crank.
It's a 5.2 liter, and I think it's a 99 year.
It is say 99 on it. Kim polished the crank and put bearings on it because it had some kind of problem down there.
And a new oil pump.
And a new oil pump. So now, I guess, it still has an exhaust open, I think, or does it? Or is it all closed up?
No, see, look. See, we made this special exhaust pipe.
Oh, yeah, so we were gonna make a compressor out of it.
Now you're remembering, okay.
But I didn't remember if you put a good exhaust manifold on it.
No.
So that exhaust manifold is missing 2 ports.
This is wide open.
So it's gonna be noisy.
A little bit noisy, yeah. I thought it didn't have oil pressure, but the problem was I didn't have rockers on 2 of the cylinders, so it was leaking all the oil. What are you doing?
There's no coolant in it.
There's plenty of coolant in there.
Okay. There's plenty, even though I can't see it. But
I don't know.
A little crook neck, maybe there is.
There might be some in there. I just want to be able to move it. And I'm pretty sure it'll move.
It's going to be noisy, it's all leaves, but if it moves, it moves. That's a good thing.
This tire's a little flat.
A little flat.
A lot flat.
Yeah, there's enough air and you can move it.
Well, I guess see if you could start it. I'll yell really loud if fire comes out of it. It's going to be really loud. I think fire's going to come out of the exhaust manifolds, but let's see what happens. Magnums are good engines. Someone didn't maintain this. I just go poppy. Well, there you go.
Okay.
What'd you do? You shut it off.
Yeah.
Did it stall or did you shut it down?
I turned it off. It's got good oil pressure, it's got everything, but it's pegged on empty and the fuel light is on. So do we have any gas around here we can put a little in?
Well, I guess we could put a
While
little
it's
in.
close to the gas?
Cracked a little bit on the windshield there.
What happened there?
This is that was like that when I bought it.
Oh, okay.
This is a parts truck.
I thought this was a real piece of crap. This is pretty nice in here.
It's not nice, but I mean,
the seats are in good shape. This is not, it doesn't stink. It just needs to be cleaned. I mean, it's not bad at all.
It won't shift out of first gear. I don't know if there's something wrong with the wire. The mice had gotten into the wiring on this. I don't know. It might.
That's this one.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I bought this truck for the tires that were on it that are not on it now, and for the front bumper to go on the other Dodge truck.
Well, we sold the tailgate and something else.
Yeah, I mean, I broke even on it. I thought the motor would be good, but it was junk. But honestly, now that it has bearings and oil pressure, it's just kind of a beater motor even. I thought the motor was roached when it wouldn't pump oil pressure. I didn't realize it was all leaking out of one of the lifters.
Yes, no, it's a good engine.
Yeah.
It just needs a different exhaust manifold.
Right.
Which you might have.
I mean, that engine there has an exhaust manifold we're not using.
Is there an engine in the back of this thing too?
That's for a Nissan 300ZX.
Oh, it's the wrong engine, okay.
Yeah, that's for a different kind of car all together.
Well, this is all cracked up here, but other than that,
They're always all
Yeah,
cracked.
you're right. The dash is good. Other than that, the seats are really good.
No, they're not. There've been someone stitched in some patches.
But they're not all roached like usually the stuff we get.
Yeah. I don't know. It's just an old work truck is all it is.
It is. But it's a decent old work truck.
It's not decent. It's junk. It's not worth fixing.
Oh, we could put this seat in one of those.
It's got the manual. Look, it doesn't even have power windows or power mirrors or nothing.
Yeah, no power windows.
I can't even drive a vehicle if I
have to crank the windows down manually.
I mean, does it have air conditioner that works? No.
Younger than you, you'd have to teach them how to use that because it could
That's right.
I'm surprised that cars with power windows don't have a remote over here, so you don't have to reach all the way over to the door.
That's right. Well, they do. They have them on the steering wheel.
Now?
They have them on the steering wheel. The only problem with that is they self-driving, so you don't have your hands on the steering wheel, and then.
Oh no! What are they going to do now? You have to have a remote to do the remote on the steering wheel to do the remote on the.
Yes, that's exactly what you need. AI will have to know when you want to.
You have to lift my arm up to open the window.
I'm telling you,
the button's so hard to push.
Humaning is very difficult. This even has
got a radio.
This even has tilt column. Check it out.
Huh. But I look at like the radio and all this is just so clean.
The only problem is it's got a camo wheel cover, so you can't even see the steering wheel.
You know what's good about that? It's probably protected it. You can probably peel this off and have a good steering wheel.
No, it's probably junk. That's why it's on there.
Already.
But it's camo, so now you can't find a steering wheel in the dark.
I could drive this thing down the road.
Well, I think what we need to do is put it someplace else, because this is the wrong place to store this. Because you like to drive the tractor through here, and there's not enough room.
Well, and it just shows. It looks like a derelict truck from the street.
Well, I think if we just park it beside the van, that it'll line it up real nice. Giant hornet's nest.
Oh, there's some kind of a madaba nest or something. Yeah, that's abandoned. Oh! What?
Forever putting gas in these old derelict vehicles. All my monies.
It's going everywhere but in. It's pouring out. Buff Del Capo here, going down the line of vehicles that runs. Kim got that one running. Did something at the end. Oh yeah, polished the crank and put new bearings in it. It runs pretty good, has oil pressure. This one runs really well, this truck. That's actually a pretty decent truck. The Dart, of course, runs. We took it to No Name Nationals and drove it back. The van is once again running. Put a battery in it, started right up. It's perfect, runs good. This Bronco, of course, we did that on the. This was a non-running vehicle that runs great now. It's a four-wheel drive. Okay, we're in this thing. No go. Was it out of trans fluid or something? That's an example of why aircraft mechanics should not try to be farmers.
Yeah, we're definitely not any good at it. I can't see. Are we hitting anything?
No, you're doing real well. You're going between all the stuff. You must be able to see something. You're missing everything.
once you get to there, there's this thing you pull.
Yeah,
and then
that's what I was just. That's why I was putting the radio away so I could pull that. Will it pull?
You gotta turn it, rotate it. No, the other way.
Oh, I didn't understand that.
You gotta lift from the bottom.
Hold it. Okay. I didn't know it was pulled out of the thing far enough.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Well, this is a 2-inch ball, a 1 7/8 ball, and a 2-inch hitch. So
you gotta, yeah.
I mean, I don't know if it can.
Well, it shouldn't come off. I mean, where are you going with it? Just move a little. Just move it a little.
Maybe it won't yank that off of there. All right, and then I think we have I think there's a big wheel chuck here. Ow. Do any of those tires look real flat? No. Surprisingly, no. Okay. Well, you get to have the radio here. I'm gonna try and back it out between those trees. It's running.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try and back out between those trees.
I'll just be back here somewhere watching. It's moving fine. Straighten it out a little. Okay, back the other way like you were, just a little bit. Okay, you're good. Straighten it out. You're missing the trees. You're good. Just keep going. You're missing everything. Just keep going. Keep it straight. You're doing fine. Everything's going well. You can just keep going straight. You're probably far enough to do anything you want. That worked really well.
I did not think that was gonna work.
It worked perfectly. I didn't either, but it worked perfectly. Did you have it in four-wheel drive?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I had it in 4 low.
Yeah, it just did fine.
I
Okay.
didn't think it was gonna yank that out of there. It just rolled right up out of there.
Perfect.
Well, that's awesome. Now we can mow that spot.
I'll get the tractor and do it. Dakota, I think Kim's gonna start it and put it in the line of cars here so they're. And then this one doesn't have a lot of gas. I don't know how it's gonna go. I think she's just gonna put it in line here with our line of running cars. Because when you park them all over the place, they just look like dead cars. You park them in a line and drive them around and mow under them and everything, they look good. You gotta shut it off from under the hood. Then she could put it in gear and put the brake on or something.
Put it in reverse so it can't roll.
Oh, it's a manual. Amazed. Somebody bought a manual transmission. They must have known how to drive it.
I mean, it moves. I think it's way out of time. I think I don't think the timing has enough advance in it.
So what you gonna do? Use that for a wheel chuck?
That's a wheel chuck, yeah.
Yeah, do it on that side.
Yeah, but I got no brake, no parking brake.
Yeah,
so
that's
why I
yeah.
want
Put it on this side, yeah, and then it's
So,
all right. now
so
you
give
go.
us the wrap up.
I just went down all of them. Everybody saw that. The only car that's not running is one on a trailer, but it moves because it's on a trailer, and the rest of them all work. They all run. You keep moving the camera around.
You keep looking that way.
Because I
away.
gotta look at what I'm doing. I know. I'm not a person that's been on camera my whole life. I'm a person that works, so I look at my work. I don't work like this and look at the camera, so that's a mistake, I guess. But it's a new talent I have to have.
The van over there, it's full of firewood. It runs. We drove that up.
Oh yeah,
just
that van
last
runs?
week we were driving.
Oh, I'm just saying, all these cars in this line were non-running, and now they all run. We've done. I know it seems like we don't do a lot, and you know we probably don't finish anything. But when I see a whole line of cars that runs, so it's what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are running vehicles. You go in and turn the key, and they start, and they drive.
And the van.
Well, in the van, but the van's
And
always
the
been,
skid loader.
The van's always been running. The skid loader, yeah, it's been a project.
That one there's a parts car. The car that's in the garage runs. The car that's in the driveway runs. The Jeep that's in the driveway runs.
And the car that's in the shop is the Valiant that we're going to make the Ute out of, and now it's in the shop, so we're going to get started on that.
The Subaru doesn't run. The parts car doesn't run. The Spitfire doesn't run. The Lost Fire doesn't run.
Oh,
the
I don't want to cover
Studebaker doesn't run. The Ranger doesn't run, and the blue truck doesn't run. That's the count. That's all the vehicles on the property.
No, runs that don't run are not what we want to brag about.
Well, I'm just saying, more run than don't run.
I'm not sure about that.
Tell them thank you and like and subscribe. One more.
Okay, and what about this? Is that in the way? Can we move that?
I'm gonna have that one towed off for scrap. That's junk. That doesn't even start, I don't think.
That Bronco?
Look at it. It's all roached out. I'll bet you it's never. It probably hasn't run in 20 years. It doesn't look like it would be even any fun to drive. Look at this hole. This thing is ruined. You could never. I wouldn't even be seen in a vehicle that looks like this.